We're slowly removing clothes. This is what we do in our org.
You do realize this is gonna be bloopers.
That was I'm sorry. Forget about that.
Game. Game. Say something about the org. Oh, wala na maingay. Game.
Okay.
Sige, tatanungin kita. Okay, I'm going to ask questions. Tapos, bloopers. Pagkatapos ko sabihin yung question, magbilang ka ng 1 to 3 seconds, tapos tsaka mo sagutin, okay?
1, 2, 3.
Wala pa akong tanong. Huwag ka muna magbilang. I'm going to ask you a question, ha? Okay.
Okay.
Okay na, ha? Okay.
What the hell?
I love doing the two wakaos.
Sa
Because he was like, oo.
Pati ka cellphone ko. Mahilig ka.
Bye!
Ito pala dapat.
I should play it in English. I should play it in English!
Konnichiwa. Ano, Minoki? Bakit Minamino Kishi?
Minamino Kishi because we are Southern Knights.
Bakit tayo Southern Knights?
Southern Knights.
Isa-isahin ko ang question.
Pwede na rin. Southern Knights.
Minoki is a group created by our lovely president.
Ito lang kayong makakapil ng you're welcome inside the family. Kagaya na lang nung love from our president. Tapos, from the love of our pillow vice president. Ayan.
They give you comfort.
I'm afraid we have to change scene.
I know.
Say hi.
Hi.
Why?
Why is it when I start to say something, there's noise everywhere?
Okay, go.
Okay, about... Got it.
Okay, oy. First question. What is Minoki?
Pasok mo na dyan, di ko alam yun. Ganon.
Next question. Anong mga project ng Minoki?
Yung chapter 2, ang tagal na na-delay. Ewan ko na lagay na sa page, pero
Just keep doing silly things.
Bye.